Yep, silakan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I am fine. Thank you. And you?
Good, Miss.
I'm very well too. Thank you. It's time to learn history with me, Miss
Miss Risa.
Why you look so happy today?
I'm so happy today because I am sleep well last night.
Whoa, not begadang-begadang.
No.
Okay, great. Are you happy today?
Of course I am.
Yes, Miss.
If you happy, clap your hands. If you happy, clap your hands. If you happy, clap your hands, clap your hands. If you happy, clap your hands, clap. Yay, great. Thank you guys for the spirit. So before we study, we should pray first, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Please do your hand like this. And the leader, Melly, please lead us.
Okay, friends, before we start the lesson, let's pray together. Let's start. Amen.
Thank you, Melly. Secretary,
Welcome, Miss.
Andra. Who doesn't come for today? Who haven't joined?
No one, Miss.
No
No
one?
one, Miss.
Already joined? Everybody already joined?
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Great. So today we are going to the next chapter, that is chapter 4, the early life of Indonesian community. But before that, I will ask you, in the last meeting, we studied about, anyone still remember? In the last meeting, we studied about what?
Principles of historical research.
Principle of historical research, Miss.
Pardon me? Explain briefly.
The previous meetings, we learn about principles of historical research.
Okay, good. Principle of historical research. Are you still remember how many principle of historical research?
There are 3.
There are
Great,
principles.
Three
Ma'am.
principles. Good. Andrea, can you mention the first principle in historical research? The first is?
Okay, the first is historical search.
Historical search or sumber dari?
Sumber dari sejarah.
Okay, second, Melly. The second is historical.
Second is historical proof.
Great. Historical proof or bukti.
Bukti sejarah.
Okay, great. And the last is Rio.
I don't know, I forget.
The last is historical fact or fakta dari
Sejarah.
Oh, yes.
Sejarah.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, so today we are going to learn early life of Indonesian community. But before that, I will ask you, I have shared a link YouTube on the WhatsApp group, and you should to watch it first. I will give you 10 minutes. Is it enough to watch the video?
I think 5 minutes if is enough, Miss.
Okay, really? To understand
Yes.
and watch the video? Okay, great. Start from now. Have done?
Yes,
Have
Miss.
done, Andrea?
Yes, Miss.
Okay,
Yes, Miss.
great. I will explain a little bit about the first is the development of hunting community life to the emergence of agricultural society in Indonesia. Well, jadi life during hunting and gathering food was still very simple. Jadi pada masa ini mengumpulkan makanan, dia lebih ke berburu dan mengumpulkan makanan itu sangat sederhana. This period is called the food gathering period, or looking for and gathering food with nomadic living system. Ada yang tahu apa itu nomadic living system? Nomadic living system. Are you
Nomadic.
familiar? Nomadic?
Yes, nomadic. I think nomadic is when people or person or community not live permanently in one place. They moving over time.
Great explanation from Rio. So nomadic is people stay in place, then they move, always move to another place like that. It is called nomadic or nomaden in Indonesia. Early humans produced simple culture by creating tools to catch game, to scraping sweet potatoes, to looking for or get a fish or fishing. They make a material from stone, bone, wood, animal horns, and so on. Then, prehistoric humans developed by starting to recognize temporary or semi-sedentary place to live. Jadi, mereka itu membuat bangunan semi permanen gitu ya. Pada zaman dahulu, mereka biasanya ada yang tahu ini di mana? Where is it?
Itu di pantai, in a beach.
Great, pantai.
In the
Yes,
beach.
beach. And then biasanya mereka juga ditemukan manusia purba di sini. Di mana? Ada yang tahu?
Oh, it's a cave.
In the cave.
Gua. Nama bahasa Inggrisnya gua?
Cave.
Caves, great. Jadi mereka ditemukan di pinggir pantai atau di gua. The remains of these temporary residents from the Mesolithic era include Keukenmodinger. Ada yang tahu apa itu? Familiar dengan Keukenmodinger? Atau baru pertama kali dengar Keukenmodinger itu apa?
I remember my elementary school told me it's kinda trash, garbage from people who live.
Okay.
How can I say?
So Keukenmodinger is atau yang biasa disebut dengan kitchen waste. Jadi kayak dapur sampah gitu. Keukenmodinger ini bekas makanan after mereka eat. Biasanya makan shells atau kerang. Terus kayak sampah-sampahnya itu dikumpulin gitu jadi Keukenmodinger. Jadi dapur sampah atau kitchen waste. Dan Abrisochroch. Abrisochroch tadi sudah saya Abrisochroch. Apa ini tadi? Bahasa Inggrisnya?
Cave.
Caves atau gua.
Cave.
Jadi Abrisochroch itu salah satu bangunan temporary zaman Mesolithicum. Then their tools of life also grow. Jadi alat-alat mereka itu di-upgrade terus gitu ya. Di-upgrade nggak MIUI-nya atau iOS-nya, tapi tools-nya. Tools-nya di-upgrade. Kayak mereka menemukan choppers atau pebble axe. Apa? Repeat after me.
Chopper.
Choppers or pebble axe.
Able eggs.
Pebble axe. Jadi batu, kapak batu. Tapi ini namanya itu kapak genggam aslinya. Kapak genggam in Indonesia is kapak genggam. Then arrows. Pasti udah familiar. Arrows artinya apa?
Panah.
Panah. Oke. Bukan memanah hati ya, tapi memanah buruan, hasil buruan. Jadi zaman dulu like that arrows-nya masih old, really old from stone. ya, like that. And then flakes itu serpihan kayak diserpih gitu loh, buat menajamkan to sharp the tools. Nih gambarnya kayak gini, namanya flakes. Apa?
Flakes.
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 Yes.
Flakes.
FLAKES. Flakes. Ini biasanya juga terbuat dari bone hewan, tulang hewan, bone of animals, deer antlers, antena dari rusa, dan lain-lain. The next is early human life at the time of settling and farming took place in Neolithic area. Jadi zaman Neolitikum ini mereka lebih ke settling and farming, ya, mulai bercocok tanam. Hasilnya, the result of the culture of this period is sama seperti daily life tools-nya, yang lebih difixkan, lebih dibaguskan, seperti tadi kapak persegi. Can you read it? Kapak persegi.
Yes, we can read it.
Or square X. What? Repeat after me. Square X.
Square
X.
X.
Square X. The purpose is this X is to cutting the meat of the animals that they hunt, cutting down the trees, and building boats. Jadi tujuan dari ini fungsinya biasanya buat memotong hewan, apalagi pas kurban ya, dipotong pakai ini, nggak boleh ya. Terus cutting down the trees, buat memotong pohon, dan buat membangun kayak membuat kapal gitu. Terus tadi apa ya? Arrows-nya sama, to shoot prey, untuk memanah buruan. Dan yang terbaru yaitu pada zaman Neolitikum atau Neolithic era is this. What is that? Anyone knows?
It was jewelry.
Jewelry that used in neck.
Oh, necklace.
Necklace. Yeah, we call it that. It's jewelry. Usually made from stone, pottery, or shells. Jadi biasanya dibuat dari batu. Orang zaman dahulu sudah kreatif ya, creative people. Mungkin 1.0 ya. 1.0. Zaman dulu itu 1.0. Sekarang kan 5.0. Zaman dulu berarti 1.0 or minus 1.0.
Probably, Miss.
Mereka udah kreatif banget. Very creative, make jewelry. Mungkin juga dijual di mall ya, zaman dulu mungkin. And the last is clothes made of bark or shells. Jadi zaman dulu sudah tahu aurat juga. Mungkin tapi dikit ya, udah menutupi aurat. Bentar lagi mungkin udah hijrah. Mereka membuat pakaian dari kulit biasanya kulit apa? Kulit kacang?
I think like deer leader.
Biasanya dari kulit
tiger.
pohon.
Oh, trees.
Kulit hewan.
Like that. Any question, guys? You can ask if you don't understand about hunting community life to emergence agriculture society in Indonesia's people. Rio, do you have a question? Your microphone, please. Kurang louder.
Oh, yes. I don't have any question, Miss.
Oh, okay. If you don't have any question, please discuss with your friends. You can choose your pairs, partners, one group consists of 2 students. I have a quiz for you. If you can answer the question, you can raise your hand. You can use feature raise hand with your group to answer the question, my question. I have only 4 questions. If you can answer my question, I will give you stars and my love.
Okay, Miss, I get it.
Okay, get it? Ellie, Andrea, Theo?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
The first question, I will move. The first question, can you read it or I will read for you?
Please
The
read it
first
for
question
us, Miss.
here. Blah, blah, blah is Kjökenmodinger. I will give you picture and you should choose the picture. Which one is Kjökenmodinger? Raise your hand. I will give you stars. Raise hand. Okay, Rio. Where is my spidol? Okay, marker. Which one is the Kjökenmodinger?
For me, it was the right, the most right.
Most right. You're right. This.
Yes.
Okay. Is it clear, guys? Is it Kjökenmodinger?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, yes. Stars from which one your partner, Rio? Or you alone?
No. Andrea is
Okay.
my partner.
Yes. The second question here. Tool for shooting have a sharp tip. Who can answer the question? I will give you picture. Where is the picture? Here. Raise hand. Melly, yeah, Melly. Which one is a tool for shooting and have sharp tip?
The first picture, Miss.
Huh? What
First
kind?
picture. The first picture yang bentuknya segitiga.
This 1, 2, or 3?
One.
One. Okay, great. What is the name of the tool?
I think arrow.
Arrow. Oh,
Arrow,
great.
yeah.
Is it clear, guys? Is it right?
Yes,
Yes.
it is
Yes,
arrow.
Miss.
Okay. Stars for Melly. Okay. Yo. Okay. And the third question here. Jewelry worn around the neck. Who can answer? Okay, Andrea. Great. What kind? Which one, Andrea? Which one? Which one? The jewelry worn around the neck.
The first picture, Miss.
Huh?
The first picture.
Oh, the first picture. This.
No.
No. Okay.
Yang paling
This.
depan, yang paling depan.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. Is it right, guys?
Yes, it is right.
Miss.
Yes. What is the name of this picture, Andrea?
Jewelry or necklace, Miss.
Okay, necklace. And the last, babak rebutan. Hadiahnya jackpot, ya. Place. Ancient residence. Apa artinya? Artinya apa? Place. Ancient residence. Artinya apa?
Pemukiman kuno.
Tempat tinggal zaman purba. Which one picture shows place? Ayo, babak rebutan, cepet-cepetan.
The middle one, Miss. The middle one.
Nomor 2.
Who?
Middle picture.
Andra again. Which one? Which picture,
In the
Andra?
middle, the middle,
Number 2.
the middle.
Is.
Yeah, number 2.
What is the name of this picture, Andra?
Caveman. Goa.
Goa. Bahasa Inggrisnya goa?
Cave.
Caves. Great. Kalau istilah kerennya tadi a bridge search road ya. Atau caves. Great,
Yoi,
Andra.
man.
We got the winner here. Andra dapat tirai nomor 2 ya, Andra. Pilih tirai nomor 2 apa di saku saya? Okay, great.
Sembarang, man.
So guys, we have studied about development of hunting community life to emergence of agriculture society in Indonesia. Tadi kita belajar tentang apa? Kita simpulkan bersama-sama.
We study about life of our ancient ancestor and how they are live, how they are
About
hunting, how they
tools
are
that you
yes.
that use for daily life, such as what kind of tools tadi? Ada kapak.
Well, like
Tadi
yes,
kapak apa?
table
Choppers.
X.
Table X or choppers. Terus tadi mereka tinggalnya di mana? Where they live?
A precious row. Cave.
Ini tadi apa? Ya,
Cave.
the caves. Terus tadi sampah dapur tadi namanya
Joken Modinger.
Kyoken. Jadi mereka menggunakan alat-alat zaman dahulu untuk berburu. Lebih tepatnya tadi yang pertama kan berburu, cuma berburu. Mereka belum bisa bercocok tanam. Mereka mengandalkan hasil buruan yang alat-alatnya itu tadi ada apa flakes, ada apa tadi arrows, dan mereka hidupnya berpindah-pindah atau istilahnya tadi apa?
Nomaden.
Oke, nomaden or nomadic living system. Jadi mereka hidupnya berpindah-pindah. That's all for today. I give you quiz from Kahoot. You can check in your WhatsApp group the link. We can join the quiz. Not Kahoot. GFrom. I have shared the link in WhatsApp group. Don't forget to do your assignment. The deadline is in the next meeting. Any question so
No,
far?
miss.
Are you understand the material?
Yes, miss.
You can get?
Yes, yes.
Yes, miss.
Okay, great. In the next meeting, we study about in Neolithicum era. Neolithicum era. Don't forget to have you put your attendance in WhatsApp group? Okay,
Yes, of course.
just type your name and your number. I will checklist your attendance.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, man.
that's all for today. Thank you for joining my class. I hope that the science will get into our mind, or we will remind always. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for your coming. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you. Yay!